And so eventually it came a point where they had been previously covering the health spend 100%. And we offer free consultations because I grew up in a small business. I watched my parents run an awesome family business. They worked hard, they cared deeply about their employees, and they made the decisions they could with the information that they had. And they're now in their 70s, and they tell me often, like, we wish we had known that about these other options before we sold our business and before things started sort of taking a turn with the 7 to 10% premium hikes every year. Because what happened with them was, like, they thought that that was the only option. They just had to get the Blue Cross plan options. These were the options their broker was presenting them with, and they were getting more and more expensive every year, and the coverage was getting less and less. And so eventually it came a point where they had been previously covering the health spend 100%. And then they had to tell these employees, loyal employees, that they really cared about, like, they knew their families and everything. And hey, we're so sorry, like, this is now going to cost you like $400 a month or so for your family to be on this health plan. We can't cover this whole cost anymore. And man, does that just sort of erode that trust bond between an employer and an employee? Number one, when, like, employees didn't really fully understand why this was happening. They just were like, wow, they're cutting costs and they're cutting out our healthcare benefits, and now we have more to pay. And we're hourly employees, and that has a significant impact, right? But it also makes it so that a lot of businesses don't have a leg up, meaning that good quality employees are going to leave and go elsewhere if they feel like they need more benefits covered.